Have you ever dreamed of traveling or spending more time with your family? Have you ever thought what life would be like if you had total financial freedom and did not have to work a typical 9-to-5 job? Did you know that there are thousands of people that make a great living trading the financial markets that are living the life that you're dreaming of? There is so much opportunity day trading and swing trading the stock market. It's no secret that thousands of traders are making thousands of dollars a day. Why aren't you? If you're interested in learning a simple and effective trading strategy, then you should join us in one of our trading boot camps. We'll give you a roadmap to success by showing you how to find trading opportunities, using pattern recognition to enter positions, and most of all, we'll give you actionable risk management tools. So, what are you waiting for? Get started today. Join the J. Lewis Trading Team and start living your dream life.